Oh, let's talk about buying motorcycles. Hey, do yourself a favor. Do not buy a motorcycle unless you can afford it, okay? I bought a bike when I couldn't afford it, and it makes you hate the bike for a little bit. Thankfully, things changed. I was able to afford it, and now I love my CBR, but like when I bought it, you know, probably wasn't the best decision. Probably should have waited a couple months. But I say that to say, don't make my mistake. And if you're going to make a big financial investment in something, especially buying a new bike, wait until you have money. Wait until you, like, everything's lined up, because there's nothing more stressful than adding stress to an already stressed out person. Okay, it's just not worth it. And the bike, I know you want to get a bike. I know you're like obsessed with this bike, or you know, just be patient. That bike, they make them every day. You know what I mean? Like, they make them literally every single day. They sell them almost every day. I know most places are closed on Sundays and Mondays, but they sell them like every day. So just wait until you get your bread right. Wait until you can buy the gear. Wait, like, buy everything. Feel free to buy your gear first. Buy good gear. Buy responsibly, like, because this is a lifelong activity, and that's the reason I really stress that. This is a lifelong activity if you choose it to be. There's no age limit that says you can't ride anymore. So you could be as old as you decide to make yourself in this hypothetical, and you can still ride that bike. So there's no immediate rush. Yes, it'd be fun to ride right now, but like, hey, think about, you know, how much you enjoy eating on a daily basis and not having to throw that money at a bike payment because your credit's not right. So you got a terrible interest rate. You know?